Albania says, D, how tall are you? Remember you said that you put your massage bed pretty high. In some cases, you even use a step stool. So I'm 5'2", tiny, but want to know if I should raise it some. I'm 5'2" as well. And it's not so much as where your table is versus how high your chair is in relation to your table. So I will say that I like to actually have like my boobs like almost resting on the table. So if your chair is low enough, but if you have a really high chair, then your table needs to be low. Wait, really high chair?
Your high chair, the table needs to be higher.
Yeah, so it's all relative, you know, because you can be sitting on the floor just as long as you are not craning your head over too much. And so that's why I kind of like, we're hunching, yeah, or hanging on. So you've got to find that comfy medium where you can keep your back straight the whole time you're lashing.
Plus it helps, you're able to like anchor on their forehead a lot better. You're not like floating over them.
It should never
like
float.
Kind of level.
You should be anchored on their forehead, and even more interestingly or importantly, if you can, you should have a secondary anchor of your forearm on the table. So table, forehead, and not pressing on their skin and putting too much of your weight on them.